30 seconds. One more run. Turn right. Turn front. Turn left. Turn front. Now move quick right. Move left. Set. Ready, high knees. Go, go, go. Quick feet. Turn right. Turn front. Turn left. Turn front. Move right. Move left. Set. High knees. Come on, get it. Suicide drill. Come on, look. It's like 3 quick taps and touchdown. You don't have to go all the way down to the floor. You don't have to go all the way down to the floor. Great job. Keep going. Go. Go. All right, here we go. Suicide jumps. Your break is coming. Jump. How do you modify that? You go down and tap. Down and tap. Yeah, you're testing your endurance. Earn your break. Earn your break. 15 seconds. That won't make you sweat. Nice job, left corner. Ow! Push yourself. You get a break, 30 seconds. How was that? Not so bad? So the second time I want you to move just a little bit quicker. A little bit quicker. Even if it's in your head. I swear I'm moving faster. I know I am. Here we go. Stand stacks again. You're ready. I'm ready. Let's go. Are you breathing? Are you breathing? Oh, that's great, Dad. Everybody get wasted. Come on, go. 7 seconds. Push. Such a good test, right? One more drill. Turn right. Turn front. Turn left. Turn front. Move to right. Move left. Set. High knees. Come on. Quick feet. Turn right. Left. Left. Front. Move right. Move left. Set. Come on, high knees. What's next? Suicide drills. You're like the exit. Go. Come on. Come on, you're one of the toughest classes I have. You can do this. You can do this. 10 seconds. 10 seconds of your life. Come on, do it. Come on. You can. Don't you listen to that little voice that says this is tough, I can't do it. Get it out of your head. Someone you love is watching you right now. Make them proud. Come on. Don't quit. 5 seconds. Give me one more. Come on. Break. What did you sign up for? Wait, I don't remember signing up. Come on, one more time. You like the second series, I promise. This is a love-hate thing, right? You know how good it is for you? It's hard. It's when you kick ass people. Hey, your advanced level. You do your best. Go! Go! Come on, go, go! Nice. Emily, go, Emily, go! I gotta watch the clock, sorry. You got 10 more minutes to go, class, and you are done. Quickly, high. Stop, my girls. Are your kiddos down there? Let me hear you. Get the floor. Come on, go. I see some contenders. Come on. Do not walk out that door. Come on. This is it. This is it. Suicide jumps. Get him. 30 seconds here. I want you to keep going, but listen to me. Listen to me. Keep going. You have your power drill next. There's no break before it. It's 1 minute. You can hate me. You can hate me. I'll take it. Do it. Take it out on me, okay? It's called a level 1 drill. Okay? Keep going. Here we go. You go down, back, 4 push-ups. Mountain climbers 8 times. Bring it in and just reach. Come on, get down. Come with me. Do some push-ups. Mountain climbers. Bring it in. Okay, come on. This minute will pass before you know it. Before you know it, I promise. You're getting stronger. Hang on. Think about how you feel right now. Exhausted. How can you feel this way? Not enough. Not enough. Come on. You're almost there. You've got 15 seconds to go. Come on, go. Go. I'm so proud of you guys. Come on, go. Go. I know it's hard. I should have brought candy. Just kidding. You get a break. You get a break. I get to show you the next series. Okay, it's just power knees for 30 seconds. And then you're going to come down. They're called hip lifts. So you're here. Alright? Tricep dips. Okay, and then you're going to turn around. They're called diamond or V push-ups. Okay? That's it. You do it 3 times, you're done. Cool? Pardon me? No, 30 seconds on one leg, 30 seconds on the other, and the last one will split it. Okay? Are you ready? Go and put your weight on that weight on that right leg. Power knees, it comes from your core. Let's go. It's a small movement. Crunch, crunch. It's just 30 seconds. Hit it hard. Go. Hit it, hit it. Woo-wee. Do you know what those are called? That's twitch fibers, baby. You use them or you lose them. Go. 10 seconds. You get to lay down in 5 seconds. Come on. Great job. Come down. Pickups. Now, if I don't work you hard enough, you have options here. You can lift one leg, and you can bring your arms up. Squeeze. You never let your butt touch the floor. Just squeeze it. Yeah, you do. Come on, 5 seconds. Squeeze it. Yeah. All right. Come on, fingertips towards your hips. Your shoulders are close to your wrists and lower lift. It's a little tiny movement. If you want to work harder, make your legs straight. But do not walk your legs out. That's bad for your shoulders. Keep them close. Okay? Go. Come on, 10 seconds. Push. Make them burn. They're little muscles, so they fatigue fast, right? But guess what? They also show you a hard work fast. You'll see them right away. All right, turn it around. Please watch me first. You're not here. Here, up on your tippy toes. Top of your head goes down to your fingertips and up. Little tiny movement. If you can't move at all, just hold it. Bend your elbows and hold it. Let's go. 30 seconds. I'm high. when you're done. Working it. All right, come up. Shake it out. Ready to hit it? Intermediate level. Run the opposite leg now. Huh? You're not fading on me, are you? You're not fading on me, are you? No. Come on, come on, come on. 15 seconds. Visualize what you want your core to look like. Come on, visualize it. How are you going to get it? How are you going to get it? Come down, hip ups. If you have one leg up, lift the other one. Lift lower, lift lower, lift lower. Squeeze. The longer you break, the longer it takes you to get to your goal. Come on, baby. Alright, here we go. Tricep dips. Down. You got me saying, hey. Girls going on. Come on. Five seconds. Yay! Turn it around. Come on, big push-ups. Amazing for your shoulders and your arms. Come on. This time it's going to pass regardless, right? It's going to pass regardless. Get something out of it. Come on. Come on. 7 seconds. Couple more. That's what I love. When you hear a couple seconds, you work some more. I love that. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. One more time. One more time. Then you got your power gel. Oh, no. Don't you tell her, don't tell anybody. You ready? Last time, we're going to split it this time. So it's going to be your left knee, 15 seconds. I feel like the Wile E. Coyote, you know how he does that? He's ready. Go! Come on, 15 seconds! This is about as fast as you can go.